Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I am starting off the vlog, or the first vlog entry in the filming room. So I am currently procrastinating. I've got to film a couple of videos, I've got a couple of collabs that I need to get out of the way, and just a couple of looks I've been planning to do for quite some time. So I'm planning to do 3 looks. So what's on my hair? The headband up there. I'm planning to do at least 3 looks tonight. They're all just going to go on Instagram, but we'll see. So yeah, if you guys haven't checked out my Instagram, it will be linked down below. And I am back on Pinterest. I was never really into Pinterest, but recently Pinterest Australia has reached out to me, and I've been kind of interested in getting into it and kind of like putting my hands in different social media platforms just in case. You never know. I mean, you hear all of these horrible stories of people getting hacked and they lose all their following and stuff like that, so I kind of want to like spread, like, you know, put my eggs in different baskets, so to speak. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing tonight, I'm going to be doing a couple of looks again for iLaw, so just make sure you guys check out the description box down below for my account if you guys would like to see that, also the Pinterest account. Also I want to do a little video demonstrating these liquid highlighters from Fenty Beauty. So I recently got a package, I think I've got 5 in total, so these are their liquid kilowatt liquid highlighters. So I've got 2 that I'm potentially going to be using. We'll just see. I might actually do like a little demonstration where I do one cheek with one and then one cheek with the other. That can be like a video, a reel, I don't know. I don't really have like a really streamlined process when it comes down to making my YouTube videos, or my Instagram videos I should say. Okay, so this is the first look, and it's currently 10:21, so I think I'm doing pretty good for time, though I do feel like my energy levels are already dipping, so probably just 2 looks for today. Tomorrow I'll see if I can film another one, just because, like I said, I'm feeling a little bit guilty not filming enough, so I'm going to try and push myself a bit, not to the point where I just don't feel inspired anymore, but just, you know, just to have something out there. And I do enjoy this anyway. I'm also watching a murder show on my phone while I'm filming. But yeah, this is the first look. So the first brief was something sort of like 80s inspired makeup, but I didn't want to go full on 80s, so I thought I would just go for like this really nice pop of blue with a bit of pink in the crease, and then the half lashes, but I kind of did my eyes in a way that it's kind of like a foxy eye look as well, because I feel like half lashes, or 3/4 lashes, I think these are actually properly called, and like wispy lashes in general, they're really good for like that foxy cat eye look. Actually, I don't even know the difference, to be honest. I feel like they're both the same. Tell me down in the comment box down below if you guys think foxy eyes and cat eye looks are actually the same. They're just, Alright guys, so it is the next day, and I have found the power cord for my iMac, which I haven't actually used in quite some time. So again, this is the other desk, like this is where I film, and this is the desk, and this is what I'm going to be planning to use to monitor the live feed of my camera. Anyway, so this is the iMac. I haven't actually turned this on in 2 years, I'd like to say. It's been quite some time, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but the lower part of the screen kind of looks a little bit yellow, a little bit warm compared to the top half. So I don't know if that's going to resolve itself, or it's just because I haven't used it in so long the screen's kind of going. I'm not sure. I feel like my eyes are playing tricks on me, but I have to, I guess, look at it again later when my eyes have had some time to sort of like refresh themselves. Anyway, yeah, surprisingly this bad boy is still running really well, considering this is an older computer. Let's see. So this iMac is a 21.5 inch mid 2010 iMac, so pretty old, but considering it's still able to do a lot of the basic things. So like I said, I'm just going to really mostly use this just to monitor my camera, but we'll see. I might also do like some light editing here and there on that. I mean, I used to use this to edit a lot of my 1080p videos for my YouTube channel, so I don't actually mind it, but yeah, I'm just surprised it's still alive. I mean, it wasn't broken or anything before, but you know, it's still pretty decent. Hey guys, it is now Monday. I believe it's 11:30 in the morning and we're back in the filming room, as you guys can see. Today my partner and I are going to get our booster shots for COVID, obviously. I'm really excited and also a bit anxious about it. Nervous, anxious because last time I had my last dose, I actually felt a little bit unwell. I think I had a fever. I don't know because we don't have thermometers at home, but I felt quite warm and I just felt really weak and just generally unwell, and I think that lasted for a couple of days. Whereas the first one, I just had a sore arm, so I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I feel like once you have a reaction, it's just going to keep going. We'll see. My sister also had hers the other day and she said that she felt unwell, and I remember she did say that she felt unwell, I think after her second one as well, so who knows, we'll see. And depending on how we feel afterwards, we'll also get a haircut because yeah, routage is getting crazy. I need to touch up, otherwise I'm gonna get banding. If you guys don't know what banding is, it's basically that orange sort of like root when it's like a little bit too long, if that makes sense. But yeah, that is the plan for today. And we are back home. So as you guys see, I've had a haircut and they actually cut my hair a little bit shorter than I wanted, but it's okay. I did have a bit of brassy bits left in my hair that I kind of wanted to cut off, but I was kind of do it like slowly, but oh well. At least it's still long enough for me to be able to tie my hair back when I don't really want my hair down. Anyway, so after that we went to I think it's called Muffin Break. We had a sausage roll. If you guys don't know what a sausage roll is, here is a photo. Also had a coffee, and the coffee had a bit of surprise because they used one of their own mugs or cups, whatever you like to call them. And as soon as I finished drinking the whole thing, I was taken aback because I saw this, and I was like, oh my gosh. I thought like maybe, I don't know, like the chocolate had solidified at the bottom, because that tends to happen, because I ordered a cappuccino, so I thought that's what happened. But yeah, it was a smiley face. That was really cute. Then we went to the doctor's office and we got our vaccines. I was going to take like a little clip of me like maybe in the car before and after, but yeah, just kind of completely forgot. So it's been like 20-30 minutes, 30 minutes probably, since the vaccine, and I feel okay. I've got a band-aid. So yeah, I've got my third dose, got a band-aid on it. It bled a little bit, but it's not too bad. This time it felt okay. I remember the first dose, it wasn't too bad. My arm just felt a bit sore in the evening, and the second one I instantly felt a reaction as the nurse was injecting it into my arm. I literally felt like my arm was already swelling and there was a bit of heat, whereas this time it just hurt a bit. I feel like the needle was a little bit thicker than the one before, but it was fine. And yeah, I started to feel a little bit funny, like some kind of like tingling around my arm, and now my arm just feels a bit weak, and my hand like it just feels a bit weaker. Anyway, but other than that, it felt okay. And now that we're home, I also just cleaned my phone. I just used a bit of this isopropyl alcohol. I don't actually know if you're supposed to be using isopropyl for cleaning your phones, but I just grab a little bit of toilet paper and then just give it a quick rub with this alcohol, and then just throw the toilet paper down the toilet and everything. But yeah, that's what I do for my phones. And by the way, I don't think I've ever shown you guys this phone case. This is from Casetify. It's really cute. I always wanted like a phone case like this because as you guys know, I've been with Android, Pixel and Samsung like for ages, and then I finally went back to iPhone. And I really like the Casetify cases. They're really cute. The reason why I chose this one is because it has Hong Kong like smack bang in the middle, and if you guys don't know, I was born and raised in Hong Kong, so it has a special place in my heart. Okay, so the groceries have arrived. They're just on the bench at the moment. I'm going to pop them away into the fridge and also our cupboard. But I also wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like now that I've just had a shower and washed it and everything. Also, say hello to this bad boy here. I developed a pimple. I formed this pimple, started forming I think the other night when I filmed, and it's got a blind head, which is really annoying. But yeah, I am going to put things away, but I also kind of wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I purchased that I really have been enjoying, and you guys probably will too. So if you guys have followed me on Instagram, you guys probably saw me doing polls about trying out different types of milks. So a lot of you guys talked about having oat milk, cashew milk, which I both have tried, but I don't really like them as much. The only milk that I really seem to enjoy that isn't like traditional milk is almond milk and soy milk. So I really like the brand Vitasoy. I really like this particular one. I know this one comes in their cartons as well, but I prefer the ones in this like plastic bottle. I don't know, it just tastes a little bit different, a lot tastier I feel, and it's also got low sugar, so therefore low carbs. So yeah, I've been having that. And then I also want to talk about this butter. It's basically a plant-based spread, and it helps lower cholesterol, which has actually worked, because when I went on my diet and stuff, I had a blood test after, and my cholesterol level had dropped, and my partner's cholesterol has also dropped. So I think it's from this, because we don't exactly eat the healthiest still, but I've been using this to fry stuff, put it on our toast. Also when I'm baking, I use this to kind of like grease like the lining of the pan and stuff like that, and seems to be working. So yeah, if you guys are looking for something to help lower your cholesterol, try this brand, or anything that has like those plant sterols, anything that just says like lower cholesterol, because I think there's a couple of brands out there now. I believe Coles and Woolies have their own sort of like spread that does this as well, but yeah, I've been using this one from Filmora. And just got some bread. We've just been having some wholemeal bread. I prefer wholemeal over like the multi-seed ones. I feel like the multi-seed ones, I know, it's really hard to tell if it's moldy or not. I mean, we keep our bread in the fridge now. I used to keep them like on the bench, but now I keep them in the fridge. Yeah, just go for wholemeal these days. Oh, okay, this is the frozen bag. So I've got some frozen vegetables. Smacked my face. Smacked myself in the face with the bag. Yeah, I don't really know how to prepare vegetables that well, so I just boiled them. So this bag is just easier for me. So just any brand of frozen veg, normally we just go for winter veg, which basically has broccoli, cauliflower I believe, also some green beans and carrots, which are pretty much the only vegetables I kind of eat really. Like when I was on that diet, I was really good and tried to eat a lot of greens, but now I'm kind of like reverted back a bit. And also got some chips for when I'm lazy and don't really want to cook anything. I just really like stuff that you can just whack in the oven, because it's just so easy. Just, you know, baking tray, baking paper, put the stuff you need, whack in the oven, and then just kind of like leave it for a while. Same goes for the air fryer. And then just some hash browns for Sunday morning breakfast, because we normally have hash browns, bacon, eggs for breakfast. Down to the last two bags. So I got more of this Nescafe sugar-free sachet coffees. I actually really like these. So normally I try and bring one of these to work instead of going to a cafe and buying coffee. Just try to save a bit of money. So yeah, I just use these. Then also got some cooking sauces that I normally use for when I'm cooking meals. I might actually use one of these tomorrow for tomorrow's dinner. So I've got some chicken satay from Canton, which I actually really like. I also add a little bit of peanut butter when I want a little bit more of that satay peanut buttery taste. And then also Patak's mild chicken, buttered chicken in mild. My partner and I absolutely love this one. Again, I pretty much just use these in the slow cooker. I know these are like sort of like stir-fry sauces, simmer sauces, but they work in the slow cooker as well. Also got some coconut milk for when I want to do curried sausages, or sort of like a chicken curry, but it's pretty much the same recipe that I use for curried sausages. And then I have this brand, Vegeta, I think it's pronounced. I have never actually used this brand before, so I usually use chicken stock cubes for when I'm cooking things, like when I make my Filipino stir-fry noodles, pancit, also chicken stir-fries, and my curried sausages, and like chicken thing that I was talking about. Usually I use 2 or 3. Normally I just grab, I think it's called Masala, or Maseta. horrible at remembering brand names of the kitchen. Some deodorant, I don't know why it's in this one. But I think that's pretty much it, guys. A quick update on the vaccine. Don't really feel anything. Like, my arms kind of regained its strength and everything. I don't really feel anything, but I think that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna put the rest of the groceries away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will try and vlog again. Hopefully next week you guys get another vlog, but we'll see. It just depends if there's anything interesting that's going to be happening. Hopefully there is, but we will see. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.